Did a successful driveway repair with this product. Purchased at Lowe's for about 15 bucks in the state of New Jersey. And all I used were these items right here. This piece of this driveway is not at a 45-degree angle, which is needed for rainfall. It's about 85 degrees out in the state of New Jersey. And I'm just gonna fix up that angle and then show you some examples of what this looks like as it dries. Just using regular brick here, tampering this down. Add some more. And repeat. You can already see that the angle is starting to form. You could use a piece of wood. All we're doing is tampering this down. Brick seems to work so much better. There we go, it's starting to form. The rain will run right off of it. For all you people thinking, well, that's not going to work, let's see some long results here. Done about a month ago. You can see the smaller rocks from the repair. But this section right here is a little different because this was done and then the driveway was sealed, and the sealing actually makes it hold up better. Here we see a different kind of repair, and then this driveway was sealed. Holding up. It's been a couple of months. Here's another section. Again, this was repaired and then sealed. The seal seems to work. You can see the little smaller stones in comparison to these. This section right here as well is just trying to provide some runoff so the water can kind of go in that direction. So if you're looking for a product to repair driveways, that one definitely works.